Hello everyone, this is Emily from Gweike Laser. Nice to meet you.
Hello, I'm Maria. It's a great honor to be here to show the precision tube fiber cutting machine. Model number GKS-6016T2. First, let us have a video.
To see the brief information of the new model. In the video, we will show you the actual machine and also the cutting ability of this machine. And for this machine, we know that it focuses on the small and medium pipe cutting. For the round pipe, the diameter ranges from 10 mm to 160 mm. And for the square pipes, the cutting range the side length ranges from 10 mm to 160 mm. It's really very professional for the small pipe cutting.
Yes. Okay, like this picture is a motion display. Yes, we can see on the picture is the real chuck, operation center, and the front chuck, and the collection drawer, and the laser cutting hand, and also have a control,
separate control cabinet.
Yes, we can see its structure is very simplified.
Yes, it is much simpler than the previous machines. And also, we can see that the cutting head is very special. Marine, can you see this?
I think it's actually have some different, but I don't know where it's different. Can you explain for me?
Yes, let's explain this for you. This is one 3D autofocus cutting head. You can see this cutting head. It is much smaller and also compact. And also the tip design. At the bottom, it can allow the machine to cut different shapes of pipes. And also with this cutting head, it can minimize the cutting length, width length of the pipes. Later, I will show you by the video.
Okay, I see. You said the different pipes. Can you show us and our customers? I think they want to know how they are work.
Yes, for this machine, we can see that it can cut in all kinds of pipes. And round pipe, square pipe, angle steel, H-beam, also this steel. And if you want to see the video, we will show you how it cuts.
Okay, let's go.
First, we will show you the small round pipe cutting. And second, we will show you the square pipe cutting. And the square pipe cutting machine, you can see this. It is very small, the diameter 10 millimeter. And
Yes.
also it cuts very fast.
Yes, I see on the first video it's very fast and the material is very small.
Okay. And if you want to see something special, any comment?
Let me think. Maybe angle steel. Can you show me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Previously, customers give us feedback. It is very difficult to cut, especially when you cut the angle steel and also the H-beam steel.
Yes.
So with this machine, it will become easier. Let's show you how it works. And later, can you explain us the pneumatic check of this machine?
Yes, as we all know, our machine has a high precision pneumatic choke. First, it's easy to operate, and our workers don't need to change the joints, and it has an automatic centering.
Yes, the previous video also showed this. Before the machine starts cutting, it will automatic centering.
Yes, and the second, the speed is 3 times that of the electric choke. You know the electric choke?
We know that because before the pneumatic chucks, most of the manufacturers using the electric, but it is not so stable as pneumatic chuck. And also, after 1 or 2 years, the rotary motors will have problem. So customers have no need to buy the actual spare parts. It wastes much money and also customers' time.
Yes, you are right. And with this speed, we can reduce the waiting time of load and unload. Yes, and it can support cutting all kinds of papers, like we can see on those videos.
Yes, customers also this.
Yes, and like H-beams, it's very difficult. It can cut it easily. Yes, it also can have a stable operation and have a low failure rate. Yes, last it's small and flexible. And the maximum speed is 125 revolution per minute.
Yes. From the previous video, we can see that the rotation speed is very fast. And also we can know that the maximum running speed of this machine is 120 meters per minute. And also the maximum rotational speed is 150 revolution per minute. And compared with the similar product, the efficiency is increased by 30%.
Yes, it's amazing number.
Yes, it increases the productivity a lot. It is very, very important for the factories. If they want to improve the efficiency and also to save the time, save the cost, save the human cost, it is very important factor.
Yes, and it can cost many money for the factory and the managers. Yes, and like we can see, it also has the material cost. Yes.
What advantage can this machine give for the material saving?
It can make the tailoring of the cutting tube less than 50 millimeters. Yes, and its power.
What's the average waist length of the other machines in the market? Do you know this, Marie?
Yes, I know that.
I think I can give the explanation because previously the average of the waist length in the market it is about 160 millimeter to 220 millimeter. We know this. This is very long length. And the customer waste a lot of money because the pipes are also very expensive. And we can see from the photos that this is the rear track and this is the front track. And when this machine running, the rear track extend and pass through the front track. This minimum the distance from the laser head to the end of the cutting materials. And this is one factor which makes the materials saving. And the other factor is that when you cutting the special laser cutting head tip design, it is much more flexible and also saves us the waist length. And we can see one video about this message, and also customer can see the real waist length of the machine. Okay, we see that it's very efficient. Now we can see our
machine is also can cut the material has a smooth surface and without a slag.
Yeah, high accuracy.
Yeah, so we can use it directly in next progress and didn't to the secondary progress. Yes. As we can see on the picture, the samples are very smooth and shiny.
Yes, this is one important factor that why customers want to buy the new machine and the fiber-laser cutting machines. And later I will show you that most of the industry the customer use for this machine are very expensive. They use for the expensive.
Yes, I know that.
Yeah, so this is why they prefer to buy the professional tube cutting machine.
Yeah. Okay, our cutting machine also has an independent control cabinet. It's very safer than other materials in the market. You know that our workers didn't to close the machine.
Yes, we know that with the separate control cabinet that the control part, control board, and also the panels separate from the machine body.
Yeah.
It is much safe for the customer and also factory use.
Yes.
And I also take different upgrade solutions.
That's great.
Yes, for the loading and unloading materials such as the semi-automatic feeding system and also the fully automatic feeding system.
Yes,
and let's see the picture.
Okay.
It is moving. I will show you. Automatically adjust the feeding position according to the different pipes. Ensure the different pipes can be accurately sent to the center of the host track. And also, after the feeding is finished, the next pipe is fully prepared. Reduce the waiting time for the focus of the cycle time around 20 seconds. It is very important because every day you need to cut many tubes. Every tube 20 seconds. It will save a lot of time in the future. And the auxiliary support system with the diameter wheel makes the pipe cutting much more flexible and also effective.
Yes.
And you can see this.
Yes, I see that. I think it's very important for the factories, and it can save many manpowers, and it's also easy to operate with this automatic loading and unloading system.
Yes, this is what the modern factory needs this. And in the future, I think that every factory needs one.
Yes, I believe that.
Yeah.
Okay, and this machine has a negative pressure exhausting system, and it doesn't have pollution. Yes,
yeah,
we can.
Environmental friendly.
Yes, we can call it environmental friendly machine.
Yeah.
Yes, it also can clean, cutting clean. Yes, and have a large diameter exhaust structure.
Yeah, this is very important for the factories because you know that nowadays people more focus on the environmental protection, and also even government have the regulations for the policy how to teach the factories to protect the environment, especially in winter. If you have this, you do not have to worry about to stop the machine every day.
Yes, it's very benefits for our environment. Yes. Also, I think our machine has a very advantage is that it has a visible window. Yes, people can work from out and can to.
Customers, the operator can know the the current cutting situation through the visible window. Yeah, you do not need to open the machine.
Yes, it's very safe.
Yes.
Okay.
It's also very important for the factory because once the workers
Yes.
hurt, it will.
Yes,
it is a
I
terrible
know.
disaster
I know
for the
that
factory.
our factory, many workers work there. It's very important for there to
Safe.
Yes.
Keep
yes,
safe.
safe is very important.
And marine, it is very important because this machine is very cost effective. Because now the fiber laser cutting machines is affordable. Customer can buy this because once they buy these machines, they can save the cost during the operation of the machines. It is very cost effective, especially compared to their old machines. And also the productivity of the factory also increased a lot.
Yes,
and also
it's
for
very
this
important.
machine, we know that it is very easy to operate. Because once if you have several workers to operate this machine, once one or two workers have something, maybe they cannot come to the factory. Other workers can also operate this machine. This can confirm that the factory will not stop working because of some unexpected reasons.
I know that it will have a low cost and our workers will quickly to operate this machine.
Yeah, very easy to learn and also very easy to use.
Yes, it's great. So our customers and I maybe want to know what industry can use this machine. Can you tell me, Emily?
Yes, actually this machine very widely used in many industries. First is the auto industries. We all know that for the car making, producing, the fiber laser cutting machines and also the fiber laser welding machines is widely used in this industry because we need the cutting edge, the spare parts of the car with the beautiful cutting edge. And also we need to improve the work efficiency because mass production for this industry. And also other industries such as the fitness industry.
Oh, I know that.
Yes, the fitness industries because nowadays people care about health a lot and they want to this makes the fitness industry grows up very fast.
Yes, like me, I like to the workers or the fitness room to exercise myself and have a relax. I think I'm tired of my work. So I think this industry will have a wonderful market.
Yes. And also another important industry is the furniture industry. We can saw the steel furniture much more popular nowadays. The steel chairs, the steel desk, and with the steel structure, it's much more stable and also very easy to do maintenance. You do not need to clean it every day.
Yes, and many youngest very like this style. They think the mental style is fashion, and for me, I maybe wanted to buy some mental furniture in my home. I think it's very cool.
Yes, and also it is very widely used in the medical industry. The medical machines and also the medical instruments, they need this machine a lot. And I think that I already told a lot. These customers from these industries. And this is very useful and also in other industry.
Yes, so our customers, if you are interested in this machine or you are in this industries we referred, you can contact us as soon as possible.
Yes. If you are interested, you can just call us or send us email. We will send you the proper solution as soon as possible.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for watching our show. Bye.